Okay, ladies, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a kinky straight lace wig install. This one comes courtesy of Julia Hair, and it's prompted me to think about how I've seen so many beautiful natural hair pages come up on my channel lately, and it's just really made me think about what if we all just got rid of wigs and went natural, and we took like an entire year to focus on our natural hair and figure out and learn and master our real hair. I really want to start that challenge, but not quite yet. I'm still loving the tresses, so today we're going to be doing a 7x5 natural looking Yaki straight lace wig install. This one is a bye-bye knots wig, and it's going to be super simple and easy. So let's get started. So this is the wig straight out of the package. As I mentioned, this is Julia Hair's 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. As you guys can see, the knots are super small, literally invisible. The texture on this one is a kinky straight, and it's nice and full. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap as well as what it looks like from the back. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine on, and as you guys can see, I'm blown away because it already fits flat where it needs to fit flat. Here I'm showing you the wig from the back, and you guys can see how long and full and luscious this one is. I definitely have all the details on mine in the description box for you to, get the inspo. So this is what it looks like lengthwise. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of heat protectant all the way around. We will be straightening this one today, and it's going to be simple and easy. Super easy. So no fuss at all. Whenever you go ahead and add your heat protectant, be sure to like comb or brush it in so that it can work it through all the strands. Here's kind of a look at what it would look like as a low ponytail. I think that would look super cute, especially when your braids underneath are flat. Now we're going to do my favorite step ever, and this is the dynamic duo. I'm going to take a generous amount of wax, apply it around the perimeter of the parting as well as the hairline. Once you apply that wax, you'll be able to go in and repart the hair, and it'll be a super neat part. Now I'm going to take my electric hot comb on a high heat setting and just really get in there and get it super duper flat. Now this is going to be a great balance when you're wearing a wig that is nice and full, just as this kinky straight unit. Having a really flat base will definitely do the trick in making it look, not too wiggy or not too offensive, if you will. Just very nice and neat and classy. Now that we've got that step done, we definitely took our time, and we also did the same step in the hairline. We can pull the wig back and go ahead and apply a non-glue adhesive. Apply the lace on top and kind of just work it in. As you guys can see, once you work it in, the wig does fit glueless, so you don't really have to like hold it down or blow dry it. You can literally let this air dry and it'll be good to go. I personally am going to add the melt belt on top, and this is just going to help it to really melt in and get nice and smooth and flat and just become one with my skin, if you will. To me, the melt belt is a step that is underrated and definitely will give you the best result as far as a very nice seamless look. And while that does its job, I'm going to go in and just use a flat iron with a rat tail comb and silk press this kinky straight hair. This here is called the chase method, and again, this is how you really get your silky straight press very nice and easy. I also find that this works great with minimal product. You guys did see I did use a heat protectant, but when you go in with minimal product, it definitely will leave the hair nice and fluffy. Now here's a comparison of the hair pressed out versus in its natural state. I personally love it both ways. The straight or pressed out state still is going to give full, and you'll see when it's all done, it's still going to give nice, full, fluffy, big, kinky straight. But I do want to mention that if you want something a lot more relaxed, when you click the link in the description box, they also have the option for a Yaki straight option. In my opinion, kinky straight is like the nice va-va-voom lion's mane, really full hair, whereas Yaki straight gives like natural hair relaxed. So it's going to give that same sort of like African American texture, but more of a silk press straight. And again, although this looks really silk pressed, you'll see once it's all done that it's still going to give lion's mane fullness opposed to what it will look like if we were rocking the Yaki straight. I also want to mention this one does come in a 7x5 as well as a 13x4, and this one goes from 14 inches to 24 inches, so you can definitely customize yours and get like the look that you're going for. I went ahead and did the opposite side off camera, and this was the end result. As you guys can see, that hairline melted and dried flawlessly. Now it's one with my skin as I predicted. So from here we can go in and add a little bit of a lace tint. Typically the tint that I use in the parting is different than the one that I use along the hairline. The one in the hairline tends to be a lot more dark, more of a contour shade, and that's personally what I love. Now we're almost done with the look, but I did decide to go in and just trim down the ends. This is definitely an optional step. I see the girls do this all the time, and I always say, like, I want to start doing and practicing this. This was my first time in a long time doing this, so I definitely can use some work. It's definitely a great option to do this or cut your hair from a mannequin head, or, you know, of course, get professional help. And I'm going to continue to try this out on especially my straighter units to give my looks like a little bit more of a custom look for me. And this is the finished result. As I mentioned, this is a visible knot wig from Julia Hair, and this is the packaging as well as the wig caps they provided. They also provided the adjustable elastic band as well as a Julia Hair melt belt. They gave me a sponge, and this is a really nice makeup sponge, as well as a portable wig head. They also included this mesh bag, and inside was another pack of wig caps, as well as another melt belt. And these blew me away. They are press-on nails, but they look so good. I'm absolutely in love with the look. You guys can see you can get this one in a kinky or yaki texture. Both are beautiful. Today I am rocking a nice full lion's mane kinky straight lace wig. This one is seamless along the hairline, no baby hair needed. It's definitely glueless and a winner. If you are interested, I do have a direct link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.